who are still, as the tickets go around, feel free to put their money, 2,000 shillings. But now what should we do for us who don't have change?
No change.
You can buy more tickets. Okay, if you have no change, buy more tickets. By the way, this is a special meeting. Even the government of Uganda is duly aware. Not only the government, but also KCCA. Yeah? I am sure most of you got a right of way today. Maybe for the first time. Yeah? For the first time, most of you, we made sure that the roads are cleared so that there will be no traffic jam for anyone coming to this meeting. And I am very sure most of you didn't get any traffic jam. Don't think that things just happen. It is because some of us put up our names there. And we told KCCA and what that no jam this day. Yeah? And so all of you are VIPs. Do not wait until they put that card in the 99, then they pass you through the town here. The tickets are, ongoing, but as they are ongoing, there are people that have been added unto us. The brother said this is a church. For him it is a church. Where is the praise and worship? The praise and worship team. Anyway, I will task you. You will show me the podium here. Okay, for me, when I step here, it is not a church. When he comes there, he comes for the church. You have to get the praise and worship, you must bring it there in front. Okay, for those of you who have just come in, we are introducing ourselves. Our introduction is free of charge. Don't let anyone take your money for free. Introducing yourself is what? Free of charge. If you are here and you are a conman, you want to take people out, money out of people's pockets and introduce